Did you know that there's a product on the market that can help protect your home from fire? We used GreenFire Pro Defense in this wooden dollhouse demo to demonstrate how a pre-treated home would fare in a controlled fire demo, as compared to an untreated home. Fires were ignited at the front of each house and allowed to burn for approximately 3 minutes. As you can see, the untreated house becomes fully engulfed. Meanwhile, the flames on the Pro Defense treated house actually begin to burn themselves out, in the absence of a viable fuel source to cling to. These photos show the aftermath of the fire once extinguished. The untreated house clearly suffers more significant damage. Now, imagine protecting your own home with the same powerful product. Simply apply Pro Defense to cellulose materials on and around your home, like your wooden trim, attic, eaves, balconies, fences and more. And don't just take our word for it. Visit our website for a real-life testimonial and to learn how to order.